Welcome to Koinamed India Private Limited. I'm your host Himanshi Sethi, going to represent to you our surgical operation light in double dome, that is NOVA 4+4. This NOVA 4 has 4 fins. You can have a look to this dome. This is available in the petal shape. We have provided the high quality sterilizable handle to adjusting the focus. If you see the back side of the dome, we have provided European design for the heat ventilation. In this light, you will get the combination of white and yellow LEDs. If you see on the dome, we have provided the combination of white and yellow LEDs. These LEDs are from Osram, made in Germany. We have provided capacitive touch controller to adjusting the brightness, the intensity on the dome. From here, you can increase the white LEDs brightness. From here, you can increase yellow LEDs brightness. From here, you can decrease the yellow one, and from here, you can decrease the white one. This is the power on and off button. With the single touch, you can see the light is on and off. This is endo mode. If I press the endo mode, only yellow light will be lighten up on the dome. If we press the preset, so the first preset will provide you 50% of white light and 50% of yellow light. If we press the second preset, so you will get the white LED at 75% and yellow also at 75%. The diameter of the dome is 600 mm and the total number of LEDs are 84. The total intensity of this dome is 1,30,000. This dome is made up of high quality fire resistant polymer. Now let me move you to the another dome. This is also the NOVA 4 having the 4 fins in the petal shape. The total number of LEDs are same, that is 84, and the intensity is 1,30,000. We have also provided the sterilizable handle to adjusting the focus in this dome. We have also provided the capacitive touch controller in this dome. From here, you can decrease the white LEDs brightness, and from here you can increase it. This is for yellow ones, and from here you can increase the yellow LEDs brightness. This is the power on and off button. This is endo mode. In the endo mode, only yellow light will be lighten up on the dome. This is preset. So with the first preset, you will get the 50% of white LED and 50% of yellow LED. With the second preset, you will get 75% of white LED and 75% of yellow LEDs. And we have used high quality fire resistant polymer for the body of this dome. If you can see on the back side of the dome, we have provided a European design for the heat ventilation. The diameter of this dome is also 600 mm. This is all about our surgical operation light, that is NOVA 4+4. These all are the standard features. If you want to add the optional features, so you can add the wireless wall controller, 360 rotation. For 360 rotation, these arms will be rotated in 360 degree, just like this. This will make the whole circle in the 360 rotation. And the third, you can add the battery backup. Battery backup totally depends up to you that you want to add for the 30 minutes, and it can vary up for 2 to 3 hours. As I presented you NOVA 4+4, if you want to take, you can also take that NOVA 4 that is available in single dome, double dome, mobile model with the battery backup. This is all about our double dome operation light, that is NOVA 4+4. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.